Welcome to Project 3, Bar Graph, focusing on electrical installations. This project demonstrates how to visualize data using a simple bar graph display built with LEDs. The basic concept is simple. You turn a dial, the Arduino reads the analog signal from the dial, and the LEDs show the level as a visual bar graph. For this project, you will need an Arduino board, a breadboard, a 50K ohm potentiometer, 9 LEDs, and 9 220 ohm resistors. The potentiometer is your input device. It changes resistance when turned, creating an analog signal that the Arduino can read. The LEDs are the output. They emit light and show the data level. Remember that LEDs require resistors to limit the current and prevent damage. First, connect the power. Link the 5 volts output from the Arduino to the red rail of the breadboard and the ground, GND, to the blue rail. Next, install the input. Connect the potentiometer's center pin to the Arduino's analog pin A0. The outer pins connect to the power rails on the breadboard. Now, install the output. Place the 9 LEDs and 9 resistors on the breadboard. Connect the cathode side of the LEDs to the ground rail and the anode through the resistors to digital pins 2 through 10 on the Arduino. The Arduino reads the dial by using analog read on pin A0. This records the analog voltage level as a number between 0 and 1023. The Arduino maps this data. It converts the 1024 steps of the analog reading into 9 steps, matching the count of your LEDs for the bar graph. The Arduino loops through the outputs, comparing the mapped number to each LED's position. This loop determines which LEDs should be turned on or off. You have completed the circuit. When the code runs, the lights move smoothly, reflecting the position of the potentiometer dial.